What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the TIDRADIO communication tutorial channel. Today, we'll discuss how to program custom bands for the H9 radio. Let's look at the specific steps. First, open the menu, Radio Information, to check your radio version. Click to extract the TIDS_202604222 file, select TIDRADIOPS.x. Select the corresponding radio model and version, and then connect the H9 to the computer using a chapter 340 cable. Click Tools, select the corresponding port to confirm. Click Program, Read from Radio. You may then customize the settings of each channel. For example, modify the frequency of channel 1 to 427.225 and rename the channel to Friends. Finally, click Program, Write to Radio to program the radio. After completion, power cycle the H9 radio and switch to channel 1. You will see the frequency has been updated to 427.225. Navigate to menu 17 and set the display mode to name plus number. The channel name will then be displayed as Friends.